we're starting out on the men's beach pickleball trip that we're going to be taking for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I got Jerry, Jim, and I got Mark in the car, and we're going to the beach and we're going to be playing some pickleball there and having some fun on the beach. We arrived at Manzanita Beach around 10:30 in the morning. The sun was out, the wind was blowing, and the Oregon coast was looking spectacular.
Hello!
Mark led the way looking for a nice flat stretch of sand. You ready for bocce ball?
Ready for bocce ball.
All right. First up is Peter, throwing the white marker ball across the sand. We even established the proverbial kitchen line, just like pickleball, and started rolling the bocce balls. Jim bowls a nice ball, very close to the Ballino ball. Now we score the balls. It looks like Jim's team won this round. Jim and I. What a beautiful background to be playing bocce ball. We also set up obstacles for the ball. Dave and Greg got into the action too. And let me tell you, Dave knows how to roll. With Haystack Rock in the background, we took turns sending our bocce balls toward the Ballino. And then there's this kitchen line, a line that apparently is meant to be stepped on.
I got pictures of you stepping on the kitchen line.
After the beach, we all headed over to Jack's beach house for lunch.
Nice to see you.
I just drank a six-pack on the way.
You bring another one? We had deli sandwiches with all the fixings.
I've been sick for a while, so.
Then on to pickleball.
Nobody wants to get up on it.
Then after pickleball, all 12 of us went back to Jack's house for dinner with homemade, hand-cranked strawberry ice cream. It was delicious. Afterwards, we sat on the front deck to talk about the day's events. The next morning, okay, we're going out clamming now. We got the cannon gun in the back, right over here.
Claminator.
We headed over to Indian Beach for some clamming action. It was a windless morning just after low tide, but we still might catch some razor clams. Jack has a razor clam license, so we are covered there. We head down to the beach.
Clams are history.
But first, we check out some dinosaur toes.
Show you dinosaur toes. These are called dinosaur toes. Huh?
Lower tide.
Yeah, I got 1, 2 days.
Jerry, having clammed many times before,
Jerry, you're going
spot the first clam sign,
I don't know how
bubbling
I
hole where the sand looks disturbed.
Can you feel the finger home?
Yep.
Go was an old show, so you're gonna have to get down. Yeah.
Jerry makes it look easy,
There he is.
and he catches a large one.
Hey! Whoa, a big guy.
He's a big guy.
Good size one.
So this is the top right here. Now it's Makoto's turn.
In the future.
Yeah.
In the future.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you know where to go?
So they look like a
Back and
go
forth.
back and forth.
There were a couple of girls who also wanted to try their luck.
He's running faster than you push it. Pull, and then dump. There you go. Who's going in?
So the clam spits sand out in a 360 and forms that little dome here. I can go in.
John had to dig deep for this one.
Let me go in. That was a show.
There it is. Oh, here it is. There it is.
Come on, John.
See, they go down.
Real smaller guy. A little smaller, but good.
Put your bag into it. Oh, yeah. You got it. Nice job.
Got it. Well, we'll probably clean these when we get back to the house. We'll show you how to clean them.
You just blanch them and then...
Well,
With Tillamook Lighthouse in the near distance and the windless warm morning, we couldn't have asked for a better clam dig out. Hello, gentlemen. How y'all doing?
Yeah, we just finished lunch.
I don't know.
Right on time, 12 o'clock, all right.
Is it?
It's a new era.
John Hughes sent me a picture of a beautiful looking razor clam.
Yes, we've got 6 razor clams. That was one of the most interesting.
We could bring chair. You want to
We've
bring?
never done clam dig.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Nice with a big.
After lunch at Mike's house, we played our second day of our pickleball tournament.
Here, told you, it's a whole new day. Whose bag is this black one? Hey, Mike, whose bag is this black one? Mine, probably. I don't know.
We head back to Mike's house for dinner and awards.
He does drawings.
And so he's got a small company out of helping.
So he's doing
At least you still have
We're analyzing.
You still have some.
Is that your son? That's a part.
All of us players from West Hills had a great time enjoying the beach, the pickleball, and each other.
At least you still have.
Is that your son? That's a part.
You can see it in the smiles on every face. This was a weekend none of us will soon forget.
At least you still have.
I know I won't.
You still have some land left.
Yeah.
Even if you had more power.
Yeah.
And we may work with the forestry company.
Isolate where to go.
Drones look for the